This is the alarm, or you can say siren, when unwanted entity come into your house. You can save your valuables with this simple setup. You can see this. This is the siren which runs on the 220 volt, available on the Amazon or any online shopping or any hardware or electronic shop. You can get that. This is the switch to control only this siren. Then switch is on, this siren will blow or will give the alarm. And this is not the setup, actually not good setup, just temporary setup. You can set this alarm outside the home. See, this is motion sensor. Right now nothing, this light is getting on when movement is detected by this motion sensor. This is also available on Amazon or any other, you can prefer any other site where you can get the cheapest one. You can hide this line. Okay, so just connect this thing. I'm showing you the demo right now. Let this light off. First of all, this light must be off. Okay, a moment will get on that light. So let it be off again. You can see from here. Okay, now see, as soon as I on this switch, press this switch, now our siren is active now. Okay, see, siren is active now. Now as soon as I encounter with this motion sensor, you can see once the moment detected, now make it off from this switch. Okay, now it will not get on, only light will glow. That's it. This is the simple and very useful setup